Sometimes it's one thing to know what to do and quite another to jump in and do it yourself. So if you're not so keen on handling everything on your own, I have created an online assistant service just for you. It's based on my experience with people like yourselves over the years. It's both action-oriented and will simplify your real estate project in France. And it's affordable, costing in the hundreds as opposed to in the thousands. Let me explain.
In essence, I want to be your online French real estate coach at your service during your project. I can help you whether you're looking to buy your house in France or you're looking to sell your property for some reason. Generally, I will help you deal with people on the ground, agents, notaires, local authorities, through advice or by calling them directly on your behalf. I will help you understand the legal documents you'll have to review along the way, and I'll assist you during your notaire meetings as well. I will help find the professional assistance if and when your needs are beyond my own expertise. Estate planning, notaire again, urban planning, property inspections, money transfers, and so on. Specifically, if you're buying, I will help you define your project and then adjust it along the way. I will analyze the listings for the properties you select online, and I'll help you plan and organize your viewing trips, and then debrief at the end of each day if you require. If you're selling, I will help you set a selling price and adjust it along the way. I will help you select and manage your listing agents, and I'll assist in the legal process, particularly gathering all the documents required to sell. All the coaching takes place online, on the phone, and via video consultations. You have access to your own personalized online portal with the tools required for your project, which are the very same tools I have developed for myself over the years. Properties, database, wish list, visit log, calendar, document repository, and more. Through the portal, you can reach me 24/7 via internal and secured emails. When you need me to call somebody on your behalf, like an agent or the mayor's office or the notaire, you ask me through the portal. During your project preparation, from your home, we have a video consultation once a month, lasting as long as you need, which usually is about 90 minutes in my experience. And then when you're on the road in France, we can have a daily video meeting if you require. Our interactions fit your own schedule, even during weekends. All your project info is stored securely on the portal and in the cloud, available to you at any time. The service is invoiced on a monthly basis, and you can put it on hold if you need, for example, when you're busy dealing with the rest of your life, like work, family, home. When the project is completed, you download all your project info and docs for future reference. And later, if you need me again for specific reasons or questions, we can organize other video consultations. About money, the base price is 440 euros. But with the 3-month intro pack, you get the service at around 300 euros and as low as 260 if you buy the 9-month pack. Each additional video consultation is 90 euros.
One last thing about the cost of the service. In my experience, when you're looking for a house, the actual sales lasts about 6 months over a period of 12 to 18 months. My assistance would cost you about 200 euros a month or less, so around 1,000 euros in total. So if you buy a 400,000 euro house, 1,000 euro is a quarter of a percent. That's just a way to help put things in perspective, right? Voila, you know everything. Well, I hope. If not, get in touch with me via the website at frenchproperty, one word, .coach. If you're interested in my online coaching service or any other, you can fill in the questionnaire in the next section and you will get a 30% discount on any initial product or service pack. How is that? Until then, well, à bientôt.